Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry last minute. First, identify the most crucial topics and formulas from your notes or syllabus. Don't try to reread everything. Instead, focus on understanding the core principles. Practice a few example problems for each major concept to solidify your grasp. This targeted approach ensures you cover essential material efficiently. Next, dedicate your time to mastering the core concepts. Quickly review fundamental definitions, chemical laws, and periodic table trends. Creating simple flashcards for key terms and equations can be incredibly effective for rapid recall. Focus your energy on the areas where you know you struggle the most, as this will yield the greatest improvement. For effective problem solving, don't just read. Actively work through solved examples. Pay close attention to the step-by-step process and the logic behind each calculation, rather than just memorizing the final answer. Identify common pitfalls, such as errors in balancing equations or unit conversions, to avoid making similar mistakes on your exam. This active engagement is crucial. Finally, ensure you get adequate rest before your exam. A well-rested mind performs significantly better. Do a quick, final review of a summary sheet containing all critical information you've compiled. Trust in the work you've done and approach the exam with confidence. And for those moments when you need a break, check the description for a link to a great e-reader and other deals. Good luck with your chemistry exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.